Today, I'll show you how to change color blindness mode on FC25. So begin by selecting the settings icon in the upper left corner. Then select settings and choose game settings. So within the game settings, we go to the accessibility options and find color blindness option. So from here, there are a couple of options. There's the default, there's protanopia, there's deuteranopia, and there's tritanopia. So choose the option you desire, and as you swipe through the options, you'll see a preview of what each and every mode is all about. So let's select deuteranopia, and just beneath the color blindness option, you can set the intensity of this color blindness. So if you want to increase the intensity or reduce the intensity. So once done, exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.